Hello everyone, today we are proposing you this exclusive fully renovated Italian country villa situated in the peaceful hills of Castelverrino, offering approximately 200 square meters of living space plus two independent guest houses. It is set on 7,050 square meters of land with swimming pool, olive trees and beautiful panoramic views. The property is ready to move in and it is accessed by a gated entrance. This is the main entrance. It is arranged over two floors. And here we find also a covered parking space. Castelverrino is a small and quiet village in Molise region, ideal for those seeking privacy, nature, and authenticity, while still benefiting from nearby services. In fact, at just 15 minutes away, there is Agnone, a charming historic town offering plenty of facilities. And the property is also conveniently located at 50 minutes from the coast, 40 minutes from Isernia, a bigger town, and just an hour from the ski slopes of Roccaraso. And here we are approaching this beautiful swimming pool. This is the perfect spot for relaxing. With beautiful panoramic views. Now we can reach the villa. Just in front of the villa, we find this beautiful garden. With stunning panoramic views of the countryside and the mountains. And here we find the border of the land belonging to the property. It is bordered by these oak trees, and there is also a stream. And we find a few olive trees also. And now we are reaching the outside space of the villa, where we find this beautiful veranda of natural stone and wood with a nice dining table, perfect for enjoying a meal outside. And on this side of the garden, we find a vegetable garden. The outside space also features a nice outdoor kitchen connected to main gas. And now we can enter the property. And as we enter on the ground floor, we find this large living area with living room and kitchen. It is an open plan with beautiful natural light, with direct access to the outside space. Here we have also a fireplace. And the flooring is in natural stone. Right next to the living room, we find the kitchen area. It is a fully equipped kitchen with also a dishwasher. and a gas stove. The kitchen has also direct access to the outside space. And here we find a storage room that is always convenient. On the same floor, we find also the master bedroom with two wardrobes, and plenty of natural light thanks to the window and also the access to the outside space. And completes this floor a very large full bathroom with laundry corner and also a double sink. And in the bathroom we find both a bathtub and a shower. And through this beautiful internal staircase, we can reach the first floor. This staircase features wrought iron railings and natural stone steps. It is a charming architectural feature that combines rustic character with refined elegance. And on the first floor, we find this beautiful and bright landing, enhanced by exposed wooden beams and also a skylight. The first floor has also an independent external entrance. Now we are back inside and I will show you the three additional double bedrooms that are on this floor. This is the first one. All of them feature the beautiful natural stone flooring and wooden roof with exposed beams. And this one overlooks the swimming pool and garden area. Here we find the second one. With a beautiful canopy bed. And here we find the fourth bedroom. As you can see, all of the bedrooms have double exposure. And completes the floor another full bathroom with double sink and a shower. Now we are back outside because I want to show you the two independent guest accommodations. This is the first guest unit that has an outside shower with hot water because it is connected to electric boiler inside the bathroom. And this unit avails of a double bedroom and a bathroom. And this is the electric boiler that heats up the water for the bathroom and the outside shower. On the way to the second guest house, we find this storage unit used for the gardening tools and a very large covered parking space. The second guest house is located at the end of this little road. And this stone house is arranged over 2 floors and measures approximately 47 square meters. Its entrance opens onto a private and charming patio, furnished with a table, chairs, and sunbeds. And entering on the ground floor, we find a fully equipped kitchen, connected to a cozy living area with a fireplace and a sofa bed. On the first floor of the property, reachable by this external staircase, we find the bedroom. And here we find a large double bedroom with ensuite bathroom with shower. And as you can see here, this unit also benefits from a private gated entrance, making it ideal for rental use. And now we are back outside so that I can show you the land surrounding the property. Here we have a functioning well and a nice and cozy sitting area, so you can enjoy your panoramic view with a glass of wine. And the property is set on a generous 7,050 square meter plot with olive trees and fruit trees. So if you're interested in this beautiful newly built villa in traditional Italian style in move-in ready conditions, sold furnished, equipped with electricity, water, gas, central heating system and all modern comforts, private swimming pool with panoramic views, 7,050 square meters of land with olive trees in complete privacy, surrounded by nature and at just 50 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.